Hi students, today we are starting word problems on integers. Okay, some questions are there in the exercise 1E. See the question. The temperature of the fridge compartment of a refrigerator is set at 8 degrees Celsius. The freezer compartment is set at minus 10 degrees Celsius. What is the difference between these temperature settings? So first, for every word problems you have to read 3 or 4 times the questions itself. Then understand what is the meaning of that question. Clear the meaning. Here temperature setting of a fridge is given. It is in a fridge, 2 compartment are there, one freezer is there and other part also there. So temperature on different parts are differently measured here. The temperature of fridge compartment of a refrigerator is set at 8 degrees Celsius. So we can write the step as temperature of a fridge compartment of a fridge is equal to, the step you can write is equal to 8 degrees Celsius. Okay, steps you have to write here. Temperature of the fridge compartment is 8 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the freezer compartment is minus 10 degrees. So right here temperature of the freezer compartment is minus 10 degrees Celsius. Okay. Then what is the difference between these temperature settings? So we can write this very easy. Difference is equal to, difference means big minus small. 8 or minus 10, which is big? Difference finding means every time we have to take big number first, subtract small number. 8 is the big number compared to minus 10. 8 and minus 10, sorry, plus 8 and minus 10 are there. So big number is 8. 8 minus minus 10. 2 minus are coming, it is plus. So it is 18 degrees Celsius. 8 plus 10 is 80. So difference between these two is 18 degrees Celsius. Okay. Next, second question. A car moves 17 km north from a point A and then moves 14 km towards south. So it is marked there. Right side A and B, everything is there. Arrow mark. That is the road going. This is the point A. A to B. Here is the point B. Our question is, a car moves 17 km north from point A, then moves 14 km south. Towards north it is moving. From A, it is moving 17 km from A. 17 km from A and reach B. And then moves 14 km towards south. Towards south is here, north is here, south is here. After reaching here, down it towards, again coming down, that means towards south along 14 kilometers. 14 kilometers coming down. So from A to B, 17 kilometers it reached. Then coming back, 14 kilometer only. So here to here 17 kilometers are there. Then coming down 14 kilometer when it reached, say along the same road. If the distance towards north is represented as positive integer. So here representing as positive integer, 17 is a positive integer. Then towards south it is representing a negative integer, minus 14 kilometer. Then how will you represent the distance towards south? Towards north are representing, it is positive means just downwards it is negative itself. Okay. Towards down it is negative integer. By which integer will you represent to find the position from A? Then when it is coming down to 14 kilometers down, it will reach at the point C. Then what is the difference between A to C? What is the difference between A to C? So you have to form the steps. A car is moving from A to A, distance between A and B is 40, distance between A and B is 17 kilometer. Distance from B to C is minus 14 kilometer down, minus 14 kilometer. Then position from, then by which integer will you represent the final position from A? Which integer will you represent? That is from here to here 17 minus 14. From here to here 17 is here, here to here 14 is there. This much we have to remove. That's so 17 minus 14 is 3 kilometers. So from A to C, it is the distance between A to C is 3 kilometers. Okay. Third question on it. Fourth question, see. Start with an integer minus 8. Question is starting with an integer minus 8. Whenever word problem is coming means I told several times you have to read the question when forming the equation also. Start with the integer minus 8. We have to start with the minus 8. Here this question no need steps and all. Directly write. Add minus 12 to it. We have to add minus 12 to it. Subtract 10 from the result. From this result we have to subtract. From this result we have to subtract 10. 10 from it. From the result. Divide the result by 3. Divide this whole result by 3. Divide the whole result by 3 plus 3. Result by plus 3 and multiply the answer by minus 2. And multiply the answer by minus 2. What you will get? This is only simplification. Okay. For whenever we are simplifying the numbers, you have to see BODMAS rule. So here bracket do first. Here is the bracket minus 8 and minus 12 it is. When we are adding it will get minus 20. Minus 20 minus 10. Then divided by 3. Then multiply by minus 2. Then next do the subtraction upon the line. Subtraction means add it and the second number sign change. Minus 30. Minus 30 by 3 into minus 2. What is minus 30 by 3? It is minus 10. Minus 10 into minus 2. Answer is 20. So our answer is minus 10 into minus 2 is 20. So our answer we are getting 20. Okay. Then next question.